Your traditional bank is quietly stealing your wealth every single day.
By leaving your savings in a normal account, inflation eats your cash. While they pay you pennies, the elite use a secret weapon. It is called a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. These accounts pay up to 10 times more than standard banks. Your money sits safely, backed by the government, earning massive interest. This is where the real magic of compound interest begins. Your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. It builds a snowball effect of pure, effortless passive income. Smart financial management means making every single dollar work hard. Stop working for money and let your money work for you. Moving your emergency fund to an HYSA takes 5 minutes. That tiny shift can secure thousands of dollars in free cash. Take control of your financial freedom and switch your bank today. Subscribe now for more hyper-efficient money tips to build lasting wealth.